feel good about mine, yo. I was born in a season where the world was quiet and cold. Celebrations were going on. Some were happy, some were sad. Some felt bad from being good, some felt good from being bad. And feelings pass and change, but they never leave. They here to stay. Holiday, holiday, happy birthday. Teenage love, the first cup, run deep. Soul on flesh, this is the Brooklyn streets. Year of the ox, 7 and 3, MD. The history. Every soul got one day. It's where you been and where you be. And without understanding, you cannot proceed complete. It start and it end, then it just go round again. Again. Yeah. Fresh, fresh. Cool. Yo. Let's move.
In a decadence, where they worship what they have. Ford was president, do the math. War was ended when the North Vietnamese stormed the city of Saigon. He was like, bye, we was gone, let bygones be bygones. I'm gone, spread love, it's the Brooklyn way, where they hug you with the firearm, tried on like new school clothes, Black Star fishery. Smash when we do shows, acts no mystery. I'm down with the cool like Mussolini in Italy. I rock with the roots like the Giventry. Powerful bigotry of what me and my people got. These rappers dumb it down considerably. We get it poppin' like a hit chorus. The flow is historic. They can't get rid of us. You pick with us, and we lay the law like Leviticus. 10 years ago we made history, so they miss us. Yeah. Fresh, fresh.
Cool. Yo. Let's move. Back in particular, even if the blended to ephemera, I wait into peripheral transmission of the minister's original broadcast clear without diminishing. Black Star, still top burning, soul temperatures and ministers, alkalines, aminos and minerals, essentials served over dinner time signatures. It's miracle material, remembrance right now, forever.
Yeah. Fresh, fresh.
Cool. Yo. Let's move.
See, I was basically landing right there.